Limited counter space? Welcome to every Indian kitchen ever. Does size matter? Not when you know how to use it well. Researchers may say that cooking is relaxing. But when you're doing kushti with aata and practicing karate moves with Loki, your kitchen feels less like therapy and more like a pressure cooker situation. Now, for a kacha nimbu chef like me, some organizing tips make the kitchen a little, less stressful. In this episode of Spacelift, we are going to show some simple ideas to declutter your kitchen and maximize your space no matter what the size. Almost everyone has that one drawer of shame in their kitchen. The one where you stash away the pots with missing lids, the large pans you borrowed from your mother, and old Tupperware dabbas like these. This adjustable pegboard and collapsible organizer helps you neatly arrange your large and odd-sized bartans so that you actually use them. Even if you don't have enough drawers, you can even place it on your kitchen counter to store your plates and mugs. We've all done it. Used old newspapers to line our drawers because, our grandmothers used to do it. But if that Times of India from 2021 is still in your drawer and screaming for retirement, give it a proper alvida and switch to this anti-slip mat. This mat saves your cabinets from looking like a crime scene, especially if you store those heavy achar and masala jars there. It also keeps your delicate plates and bowls from getting easily knocked off the shelves. And let's not forget your cutlery drawer. Place these in your drawers and assign one for each category of cutlery. Limited counter space? Welcome to every Indian kitchen ever. Does size matter? Not when you know how to use it well. Take these wooden stands and stack them up with your mugs, chai patti and shakkar. Instead of fighting for space like you're traveling on the Virar fast, these give you some extra storage. You can put these movable stands in any corner or in cabinets that are not wide enough. Basically, wherever you have enough height but not width, ye aapka solution hai. Now, if you have any kids at home, you'll find an army of water bottles left stranded on kitchen counters. So, you can create a home for them with these magazine holders. And then train your kids to put the bottles back in their place. Will they actually do it? That's like expecting the British to return the Kohinoor, but we can certainly try. And you can also store aloo piyaz in this so that they don't roll under the fridge. Nothing silences a family group like the question, "Khane mein kya banana hai?" No one responds, but they all complain about the tindli ki sabzi later. So, create a plan on the weekend, put up your meal planner in the kitchen. This is on magnets. And let anyone who has a problem speak then or forever hold their peace or peas, whatever is easier, including this poor joke. Cooking is not the worst thing you can do in the kitchen. It's the cleaning that makes you rather humble. So I'm going to use vinegar in some of these DIY tips that will save you some effort. Here's a simple desi jugaad that may keep cockroaches and red ants from making your kitchen into their garba ground. Make a mixture of tej patta, cloves and vinegar and spray it in the corners of your drawers and cabinets. Now, if only I could spray this on humans, then I wouldn't have any late night visitors, not of the 6-legged or even the 2-legged kind. For oil splatters and post-tadka disasters, wipe your stovetops with this vinegar mixture. It's right here. And nobody will know you ever fried aloo pakoras here. Baking soda isn't just for cakes. I use this solution to try and wash off pesticides. Clean your fruits and vegetables in this baking soda vinegar liquid for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. With these simple hacks, you'll dread the kitchen a little less and start feeling like the host of your very own Khana Khazana. Well, even if your signature dish is still instant noodles. We hope you've got plenty of ideas for your kitchens, and I would like to know some of your tips in the comments as well. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tweak India's YouTube channel. Researchers may say that cooking is relaxing, but when you're doing kushti with aata and practicing, whoops, see, like that, karate moves with Loki, your kitchen feels less like therapy and more like a pressure cooker situation. And now we put this on. But anyway, if there's anybody who knows what we really look like without any filters or even our combed hair, this bathroom. ये छोटी सी जगह एक तिजोरी की जैसे है जहाँ पर हम अपनी dirty laundry डाल सकते हैं और अपनी secrets भी छुपा सकते हैं. It's where you can sing to an imaginary audience without worrying about them pelting you with eggs, where we cry over broken hearts and toxic bosses. जहाँ बैठकर हम अपनी किताबों के साथ कुछ पल बिता सकते हैं या Instagram पर stalking कर सकते हैं.